The next generation of Apple's most beloved laptop is nearly here. MacBook Air M5, 2025, and the leaks are nothing short of breathtaking. If you're planning to buy a new laptop, stop what you're doing right now. The upcoming MacBook Air M5 could bring the biggest performance leap in Air history, paired with a long-rumored OLED display, slimmer bezels, and next-gen Apple Silicon. For students, professionals, creators, and even casual users, the MacBook Air has always struck the perfect balance between power and portability. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But with the upcoming M5 chip, Apple is supercharging this slim beast in ways we haven't seen before. And according to multiple reliable sources, this won't be just a speed bump, it'll be a full-blown transformation. In this video, we'll dive into M5 chip performance and architecture, OLED display panel leaks and supplier details, new design, thinner bezels, and lighter build, battery life boosts and cooling improvements, macOS 15 optimizations and AI integrations, release timeline and expected pricing. Why this could be Apple's most important MacBook Air ever. Let's unpack everything we know about the MacBook Air M5, 2025, and why it may completely redefine Apple's ultra-portable laptop line. The MacBook Air has undergone many changes since Steve Jobs first pulled it from an envelope in 2008. But arguably, the most revolutionary leap came in 2020, when Apple ditched Intel and launched the M1-powered Air, a fanless power-efficient machine that outperformed most Intel laptops in its class. In 2022, the Air received a design revamp with the M2 chip, featuring a flat-edged look, MagSafe, and new color options. Then, in early 2024, Apple introduced the M3 MacBook Air, built on a 3nm node, offering impressive graphics and speed gains. But that was just a glimpse of what's coming. Now, in 2025, with the M5 chip on the horizon, Apple is reportedly preparing for a more aggressive upgrade strategy, with AI enhancements, OLED display technology, and design tweaks. At the heart of the MacBook Air M5 will be the next-gen Apple M5 chip, expected to be built on a 2nm TSMC process. This is a monumental leap from the 3nm-based M3. Early benchmark leaks suggest the M5 will feature 12 CPU cores, 8 performance plus 4 efficiency, 16-core GPU with ray tracing and mesh shading, 30 to 40% faster than M3 in multi-threaded tasks, 25% better battery efficiency. This will make the MacBook Air M5 as powerful as the current M3 Pro MacBook Pro, while staying completely fanless. The M5 is also expected to include a vastly upgraded neural engine, optimized for Apple Intelligence, enabling on-device text summarization and voice control, instant video captions and live transcriptions, real-time image generation in apps like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro. This makes the Air M5 a true AI productivity machine, giving users high-performance ML features without sending data to the cloud. Yes, it's finally happening. After years of speculation, Apple is reportedly bringing OLED technology to the MacBook Air for the very first time. OLED displays offer true blacks, each pixel emits its own light, higher contrast ratio,